don't know if this is too close, but I am trying to record this on my iPad, so hopefully it works out well. I am just honestly getting ready for the day. My hair is still kind of crazy, but it is almost getting to the point where I can keep these behind my ears. So I may try to do that today. Otherwise, I have my headband that I wore yesterday, which I may just wear for a bit to kind of get the hair to go back, or I can wear clips. But yes, the bangs are growing out, the hair is getting longer, and a new season is upon us as I am moving again. I'm very excited for this one. It's been basically 2 years now since I've been living here in Pasadena, and honestly, I love the neighborhood. But when I moved in, I immediately was like, okay, I am moving out at the end of this 6-month lease. I've stayed, and after the fires, I also thought about how I wanted to move again, and I stayed, and I've just gotten really comfortable here. I honestly like the neighborhood. I like my neighbors, but I think that God is calling me to a new season, and I had to go back home for a dentist appointment anyways, and so I think it's like the perfect time for me to just go back and to relax. I love September and October in Hawaii. I think it's one of the best times to be there because, you know, school is back in session and the holidays aren't upon us yet, and so it's kind of like the perfect time to enjoy the beaches, enjoy being outside or at the parks, to even do things like shopping. And I am working on a new Christmas palaka line, which I'm so excited about. I'm doing it in bikinis, dresses, as well as like bags, shopping bags that can be folded up, and yeah, just promoting like that reusable, sustainable lifestyle that we love so much. And so all of these things are made to order, but I plan to order some samples to do a photo shoot, and I'm hoping to do that on Oahu, and September, October is like the perfect time for me to get that done. I've also been working on a variety of different projects when it comes to film, actually. So I did visit a cool new exhibit that they have for the Japanese American National Museum. Now that they're closed for renovations, they have something here in the art center at Arroyo Parkway in Pasadena. And so I posted about that on my Substack, which also, if you haven't yet, please follow my Substack, which is where I will be sharing my blog content from now on. I am really excited about just the way that this channel even is growing as well. So thank you so much for being here. I love moving, and so I thought that I would share this process with you a bit. I also want to like memorialize my apartment and this moment in time and really appreciate it as I get to spend the last few weeks here. So thank you for just following my journey since I've really moved to California and started posting on here more. I know I actually have some people who have been here since the very beginning when I started this, when I was on Oahu and Hawaii Kai, and so thank you so much for tuning in. I love you all, and look forward to sharing the process with you. This here is my living room setup, and I just love it, and I'm so grateful for this place. Here's the couch, and then I also have some things going on. Here's all my mood boards collages that I made, and the upcycled thing. It's kind of a mess in here right now. And there's some guys, so I'm gonna see if they want some clothes from my pop-up that I had left over. This is my workspace, and I've been saving a bunch of boxes, so it's crazy in here right now, but maybe I'll clean this up and do a better shot. Here's my bedroom. It's a little lived in right now, but I'm just so grateful for this space, and my desk is messy, but love y'all.
Said I was down bad, I ain't got nothing to lose. And when I die, I don't wanna be misused. So when I'm gone, all I ask, don't cry for me. If it was one thing I had, it was family. And I was just a young